Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Monshaat, innovation, AI, three very interesting topic and subjects in a very interesting morning. And good morning, everybody. Monshaat is a newly established governmental entities that led or chaired by His Excellency Dr. Majid Al-Qasabi, the Minister of Commerce and Investment, and has its first board meeting in Q4 2016. After that board meeting, the strategy has been started to work in to achieve the ambitious goal of Saudi Vision of 2030 of increasing the small and medium enterprise contribution to the GDP. 20% to 35%, it's not only 15% increase. It's quadra the number of SME contribution right now. Right now, almost $500 billion. By 2030, the goal is to have it 2.2 trillion. To achieve that, Monshaat has driven the vision and mission and the pillars to achieve that goal. We believe that the SMEs should be the key contributor to the Saudi economy through working with governmental, private sector, NGOs, so either nationally or internationally. To achieve that vision, we have developed several programs and projects grouped into 7 pillars. It starts with the access to opportunities, access to fund, ease of doing business. But the most important thing for today's event is the innovation and technology adoption. Just to give you a glimpse what we mean by SMEs in Saudi and what's the market for it. SMEs almost 99% of the private sector, which means a very challenging and very promising opportunities for us as well. So Monshaat started with defining the SMEs, which is either number of employees or the sales or the revenue. So any company with 1 employee or 1 Saudi riyal sales up to 200 million Saudi riyals or 250 employees considered as SMEs. Now, let's move to the second interesting subject, which is innovation. Okay, Monshaat, you are talking about economy. Why Monshaat? Why innovation? Before answering why, innovation has different definitions, and some of them, they consider it art. The others consider it science. Just for us to start with a strong definition, we are capitalizing on the OECD definition, which simply is the any new or tremendously, significantly improved either product or services, business model, operation plan, or even marketing. So in the innovation cycle, we are not the knowledge creator. We are part of a wider and bigger ecosystem. We are mainly focusing on how to transfer the knowledge to create an economic value, which means our main role into the commercialization. Let's bring us to what we do at Monshaat to achieve these goals. We have several projects. I will go highly on them. Then I will deep dive on a relative project that for today's event. We have innovation centers. We have accelerators and incubators. We also do boot camps for those who have ideas to help them into the MVPs. We do IB commercialization for some individual who have potential patent. Also, we do the crowdsourcing or urban innovation concept throughout the FICRA. We also expose those who have innovation and have like valuable economic impact on them to the ecosystem players, whether it's investors, incubators, accelerators, to take them to the next level. We do also the innovation journey and adopting the innovation methodology like design thinking and so on. We also care about our youth star, which is the next generation. We do kind of awareness on the industrial 4.0 technologies like coding, 3D printing, and so on. This, like in a nutshell, I will zoom into our innovation centers. Currently, we are working on 3 innovation centers. We have already launched 2. We have launched one in Khubar, specialized in AI analytics, called Dhaka. We also launched last week one in Jubail with المؤسسة العامة لتحت المياه سويك, specialized in water technology. Inshallah, by end of this year, here in Riyadh, we will launch another innovation center specialized in IoT and cybersecurity. I will describe in details what we offer. It's because innovation center is sometimes misleading because some of them, they consider it for research and development. Others consider it for just exploring their product to their customers. We are doing slightly different. We are focusing commercialization again to the cycles before. So our first innovation center, which was softly launched in April this year, called Dhaka. It's located in the heart of Khubar, in the Saudi startup in Khubar, which is like 4 stores in Adir Tower. We are in the first and mezzanine floor. And the good things, since we are Monshaat and we are caring about Monshaat, we work with our partner, Saudi local company called Muzan. Although it's very niche and very hard to find like sophisticated businesses, SMEs, working in this field. Alhamdulillah, with the changes in Saudi, we see promising companies, including one of our partner, Muzan. So what's our goal in the Innovation Center? Basically 3. To push more startups in the market, not any startups. Since we are AI and analytics driven, we are focusing on startup based on AI solution, like chatbot and so on. The other thing, which is SMEs in Saudi is around 500,000, and it's different from micro, small, and medium. We are helping SMEs to adopt the concept of data analytics and AI, which is a tremendous change with the number of the efficiency of the company, the scalability, and so on. We also care about the community, whether students or SME employees or whoever interested in AI analytics. We do multiple meetups to exchange knowledge and to exchange also opportunities. These are mainly the 3 goals. What we offer to achieve these 3 goals, we have almost 5 tracks. For the entrepreneurial track, which is to push more startups, we create opportunity-driven challenges, which identify challenges in either governmental entities or even big companies, and we crowdsource it with the potential or young entrepreneurs who have like brilliant mind and solutions to come up with innovative solutions to solve these challenges. This one approach. The other approach is to conduct like hackathon style, doing the same of helping to develop the MVPs and products. These are for like the entrepreneurial track. For the SME track, which is how to help SMEs adopt AI and analytics, we are developing boot camps, which is 3 to 5 days, condensed, hands-on boot camps for those who have data. They bring it to us. We will help in data visualization, data cleansing, data cleaning, and we'll help them with algorithms if they are sophisticated to make it happen and to create the real efficiency and impact. We do also workshop for anyone who's interested to know what's AI. Sometimes AI and analytics sound complicated, but in fact, it could be just an Excel sheet doing some analysis. That's the beginning. So we do a workshop in sector specific, like workshop in how to use AI analytics in F&B, or in hospitality, or in manufacturing. And this workshop is like 1 to 2 hours. We do it physically, and we have the streaming for anyone who is interested to attend virtually. We do also consultation. If you are not interested to spend 3 to 5 days, nor have like innovative product that you would like to develop, but you'd like to have like one-on-one consultation, we do this service either through walk-in or just go to our website and book appointment. Also, we do kind of the community gathering. We are working with the NGOs. We work with Sharqiya Data Geeks to conduct several meetups twice a week. And for anyone in the room or interested in to have like chatting with someone who's interested in the subject, you are most welcome to come. What we have achieved so far with the support of governmental and private sector, alhamdulillah, although it's very short, we were able to somehow create buzz and awareness and even real impact. We have done 2 challenges, one with Ministry of Health, and the second one, the recent one last month, with the Ministry of Transportation. We have gathered multiple solutions. We help them remotely and physically to develop their solutions. And now they are with us in the acceleration program. We do also boot camps. We have done several boot camps in manufacturing. If you are an SME in the manufacturing industry, how to use this analytics and data in this field. We do 3 workshops for F&B. If you have a restaurant with point of sales, what AI and analytics can do for you. In terms of consultation, we have done more than 300 consultation, either walk-in, through the system, over the WebEx. We have several approaches. Just come and we also do with our partners, Saudi Sharqiya Data Geeks, around 300 beneficiaries from the meetups that have been done. So what's in the center? The center have 2 things. Resources. Physical resources, we have a multi-purpose room, which has a very big interactive screen where you can present your data, do some kind of visualization, exploration. And we do also the VR station, in which you will do, if you have solution in the data visualization and this aspect. We do also have the licenses and softwares. We provide those who enrolled on our program a license for, depends on their needs, for 1 to up to 3 months subscription in some software that will help them after take the boot camps to carry on and adopt the solution. The most important thing, we have the human resources. We have a great team of 13 people working only for you. We have data scientists, data engineer. We have either locally and internationally. We brought up one who has like 3 exits, work in Y Combinators and work in international companies. These are all for you to help you in achieving our kingdom vision. Just examples, what we have experience with the different tracks that we have mentioned. Tistahil is like awarding or parenting awarding application in which parents do some task for their kids, and kids, once they do it, they will get awards in return to help them achieve what their parents want. After the boot camps, we have figured that some of the family has more than 11 or 13 kids with some kind of odd. Then once we go deep into the analytics and the data, we figure out that the family name is different, which brought up another opportunity for the application entrepreneur who figure out that this is a teacher work with a student in the awarding mechanism. After this insight, it's opened up a new approach, a new market for the entrepreneur, from just being focused on parent to schooling, which around 5 million beneficiaries. We also do one of the food delivery has trouble with the inactive users and the interfaces and the experience. Based on the analytics, we help them to have more interactive application, plus the inactive users turned to be more active in return of some algorithm and so on. Cadre is one of these startups is working on is to help those who have startups or businesses to tackle and target the right talent by doing some algorithm and AI algorithm to match best fit of the matching candidate. Recently, with the help of Ministry of Transportation, we have done a challenge called Road Safety Challenge. We went publicly and we have approached by more than 300 teams with the help of the Ministry of Transportation. And this, I would like to thank them for all the support they have provided. They provided us with a data set, real data set, for the past up to 2-3 years of the roads. They provide us with the subject matter expert in terms of the roads and the transportation aspect. We run together the challenge. Then we provide the consultation services over online. Then during a hackathon, we have supported 22 teams, in which some of them, they are using computer vision, analytics, and some interesting and promising solutions that inshallah, by end of this year or the H1 of next year, will be in the market. We also have, as I mentioned, we work with the Ministry of Health in challenges. We brought some data from open data, and we help entrepreneurs to figure it out. We also work with private sector. Al-Ubaykan is very good and a role model for industrial SMEs who have adopted technology, either IoT or AI, and got more than 20 to 25% of efficiency in their businesses. So we conduct a workshop for those who have manufacturers. With the support of Al-Ubaykan, we were able to provide the beneficiaries tours inside the Al-Ubaykan manufacturers, access to their resources as a use case, and help them adopting it. Fodex and Fruitfix 360, we also work them for whoever wants to adopt AI analytics in the F&B sector. Not only government and private sector we work with, NGOs. We host the Sharqiya Data Geeks, and their headquarters is now in Dhaka. We are working with everyone to make this happen. And beyond. The center is to support the ultimate vision of kingdom. And we are a part of a very wide and large ecosystem. We are looking to work with you if you are a governmental entities or a very large or international company. Let's work together to leverage on what you have and what we have to support the SMEs and entrepreneurs. For SMEs and entrepreneurs, please visit us either through our website or Twitter, or follow us in Twitter account. Let us help you in a proper way. We are just started, and inshallah we will go everywhere in the kingdom. Just provide us with your experience, your need, even your strength. And lastly, anyone is interested in AI, whether it's investor or support entities, we are confident that you will find a very mature, very strong, very promising solution out of the center. Please come us, subscribe with us. We'll invite you for any potential pitching, investor pitching, any gathering or events. Thank you, and hope is like you have gained some information about what we are doing.
Okay.